What color are the trees?
The trees are green.
The bird goes over the farmer. What color are the farmer?
The farm, I don't know. The farm is black.
It's black. It's gray. It's gray. It's two colors. It's red and gray. What color are the farm?
Farm are gray
And
and red.
the go over the
Table.
What color is the table?
It's yellow.
Yes.
How many tables can you see?
It's two.
There are 2 tables.
Yes. What color are the bird fly? The bird go over the
City.
city. What color is the city? The city is many colors. The bird goes. The bird go over the
Street.
street. What color is the street? What color is the street?
The street is black. What can you see on the street?
White and black.
What can you see on the street?
I can see 2 colors.
What can you see? I can see many cars. How many cars can you see?
I can see 1 is red, 2 is purple, and 3 and many colors. The bird goes over the
Mountain.
mountains.
Is the mountain tall or short?
Tall.
The mountain is tall. The mountain is tall.
The bird go
Home.
home.
How many baby bird can you see?
2.
I can see.
2.
Trả lời đầy đủ.
2.
Trả lời đầy đủ.
What color is the mom bird?
The mom bird is black and yellow.
And white. What color is the baby bird?
Baby birds are yellow.
How many baby birds are there?
There are 3.
Is 2. Goodbye.